Why is this truck dropping hundreds of weird black balls on the water reservoir?
2, 1, shade balls away!
You might think they are making the largest ball pit on Earth, but that's not it. This is a reservoir in Los Angeles which supplies water to the nearby residents, now turning into the largest ball pit in the world. However, these balls are making the water safer to drink. Here's how they do it. This story starts with an element called bromide, a natural substance that is harmless to humans and is formed in the water from salt. Chlorine, which is used for water disinfection, does just that. Again, it's harmless. However, if ozone is used to disinfect the water with bromide, the element turns into bromate, a carcinogenic element that causes cancer in humans. So the water treatment plant must regulate the levels of bromate to avoid any health risks to people. But one time, beverage companies reported high levels of bromate in reservoir water they were given. Officials then discovered an unfortunate truth. The water treatment plant wasn't using any ozone, but bromate still formed in the reservoir. Apparently, the bright sunlight caused the reaction and made bromate faster than any ozone. The problem needed an immediate solution. The only possible solution was to remove the sun. It is impossible to put out the sun, so the officials decided to cover it up. First, they suggested adding a floating cover over the water, but that would be too expensive and too long to make real. Then there was planned to be a trampoline with a poly-like PVC pipe that would just become bird perches, and then you'd have to deal with bad water quality. Finally, a solution came to their minds. Something that wouldn't affect the quality of water, stop bromate from forming, and keep the water clean. These black shade balls. The color black blocks all light from reaching water and triggering the bromate reaction. Furthermore, the black pigment didn't cause any harm to the water quality, even after being exposed to elements for years. All thanks to the wonder material they are made of, a high-density polyethylene. In short, it's a food-grade plastic which is used in making something as simple as milk cartons, but it's made even more durable to the sun with the material called carbon black. However, it's still plastic. Wouldn't it bleach the material out because of heat? Well, no. The material is inert, can't bleach out, and pollute the water at all. Here's a better concern. Wouldn't these balls make the water evaporate faster? After all, they are black, so absorb more energy and heat up the water.
The main one is that it actually helps to decrease evaporation. That means we hold onto the water longer. Even during some of the summer months, when we have some really warm temperatures out there, the water will remain nice and cool.
But that's not the case either. Yes, they absorb heat and get hotter on top, but the bottom of the balls stays cool. These balls also contain air, which works as a good thermal insulator that doesn't let the heat transfer to water directly. Works like a double-paned window. It still looks like the largest ball pit on Earth, but it serves a great purpose in the harsh, hot climate of California, saving water for its residents. But we would like the ball pit too.